My mic is muted. Are you guys still getting the Rusty's music in the background? Yeah, you guys should be. Okay. I was like, wait a second. You guys should have it. Alright, continue. Alright, we got a pig feeding state or an animal feeding station. Let's go ahead and fill that if we can. Wait, is there different types of pigs? These pigs are the same, they're just spotted. We going with green. We're gonna go with another. Oh, is it only one pig per? Oh, it's 17. Do I not have enough? I want a cow though. Okay. Where'd the animal go? There's the pig went into the barn. Alright. Yeah, it's very relaxing music. I have other music going on in my ears, so that way I can focus a little bit better. So I don't want, like... Yeah, I want this to be that. Okay, I think it's actually working this time. I think I have enough room to kind of like make this window smaller. So if I can do here. Fit to screen, and then we can do something like that. I could do fit to here. What I want to figure out is the resolution. Ah, there, yes. And then I could pop this out and I can put chat over on this side and I can see chat. Sweet. Not sure that that will be any more noticeable for me, but see, then I don't look like I'm reading. Like, I don't look like I'm looking at y'all when I'm reading the chat. There we go. 2 packages, removed 18, change packages. Alright, so when we look at this, I really don't want latest. I want to lock in current versions. npm module version. I definitely spelled that wrong, but no, that's not what I meant. Oh, I bet you Google knows this. How to lock in version npm versions. Is there not like a lock? No, I want. There we go. Yeah, I only have two. They're just wide, I guess. Okay, so this is helpful. This will allow us to get the latest. We want this to happen so that way things don't randomly break in production, because this is not something that I maintain every like constant. It just happened to break, so it needed to be fixed. And I figured I had this version on my machine, so I might as well give it to them. But one thing that we need to figure out is the model that we are using. So what, for those who don't know, a model is basically going to be the object that we're looking at. So it looks like we were looking at a table called messages. Then we were logging reacted date, created date, or created at. It looks like when we were inserting data, we had a message ID, an editor, message ID, a JSON, and then a created at. Something tells me this isn't how they would necessarily do it today, or how I would necessarily do it today, but here's another thing. We have an upsert. So we have two create ads. We don't need that. We have an upsert, which is message ID. We have a reaction user ID. And we already have reacted date. Did I have this saved somewhere? Probably not. I have no clue what this file is. I'm afraid. Here, we're gonna do that for a second. Okay, so that has nothing in it. Why did I not log the model? Interesting. Alright, so do I have it logged in a book? I write notes all over the place. It's not a good habit. Oh, this is the tender but for food. Decentralized identity. No. This is constructions for all our different things. This is an asset project I never created. Not in this book. Oh, I'm a sticky. You have sticky notes everywhere. Oh, so everybody can log into your computer. Got it. I'm trying to remember what book I was using. was creating this. Yeah, this isn't the right book because it's... There's another one of these books, and I don't know where it's been. I think it's in the messy pile over here. What the heck is this song? That is not what I want to listen to right now. So, doesn't that mean up here? Get draft, get last message. So this is supposed to recover messages, essentially. I don't think that this is possible anymore in terms of... Oh, no, it's right here. I don't think this is possible, though, because I think that they changed it. Why was I having writers posts again? I didn't even create those yet. Alright, so we're gonna put this over here. We still have the table, so we don't have to worry about that anymore. So that's a benefit. Earlier, it wasn't even showing those. The real question is does it still work? So we do a node that, and that should tell me that it doesn't work. Why? Because I haven't fixed everything. Did you order the part, Aurelia? Yeah, because we don't use that anymore. Message create. This is embed now. I have to go looking for something. Alright, it brought me to somewhere, but I can't. Okay, there. User mention still shows up. Does this not work anymore? What if I just do this instead of builders? What are you talking about? You can't fight. No. Technically, this should be here. That can get commented out for now. Embed builder was embed. Does it still have embed builder? Something tells me that I'm not supposed to do that anymore. Embed. Alright, I should have a browser. New tab. It should be this one. Super fancy coding stuff. It's pretty simple once you start breaking it down. Yeah, I don't see, the only thing that you're gonna need definitely make sure is to use the power adapter and probably not just rely on the USB, because laptop power isn't the same as desktop power. So definitely, you know, make sure it's plugged into the wall. All right, embed builder still works, so I shouldn't need that. Whoa, 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 what? What am I logging here? Holy crap. It's just like going to town. Oh, that's the collection. Jesus, why am I logging that? That's on the Ready React, right? Yep, message limit console. I'm just like, we just logging that for something. So then we go to our test server, which you guys can't really see. Yeah, that's what I mean. Make sure you use that, because I know some like drawing tablets, you can just use the USB for power. So, all right, so writers. Can I react? Okay. Message, invalid input for the type. Error is not defined. Look at the database real quick. Oh, I just realized the browser was up this whole time, sorry. So it was probably when it was trying to log that. Inserting message. Insert into TV. All right, so we come here. Oh, ads, yeah. But that made sense. Sorry, ads are stupid. But they're necessary. They kind of bring in stuff. Oh, let's check out Rusty's. Ew, there's waste. Do I need to click on that? Or do I just need to, like, have the bot? Alright, so what's going on with this? We get the animal feeder. We carry crops to feeding. This is the one that I think we need. What is this one? Collects animal waste. So it only collects animal waste within a certain area? Boom, maybe? We're gonna put that there for right now. All of this is all new to me, so. By the way, if you guys want to support indie developer, this is only $10. If you guys have, you know, $10 to spare, really is the. Oh, and this tells us how much we have. Okay. Can be combined with biofuel to create animals. Is that how my animals are created? Interesting. So you just have cows. They don't have like a rate. Not one's better than the other. It's just what you want roaming around. It looks like. We still are good on biofuel. Oh, we finally unlocked these. All right. Parsnip and red onion. Cabbages are still growing. We need to do parsnip, red onions. All right. So to save us some time, we're gonna put red onions there. We're gonna do parsnip here. So that way when dude comes along, where is he? It, I should say. There's somebody's supposed to be coming around. And you know. This bot literally just goes around and dig. What is going on? Alright, where's the little bot? There's a little seed bot that goes around. The dude goes around. That dude's been mining that same thing for. No, we need this one. Capacity to upgrade and then the speed probably. Easy choice. Always mac and cheese, right? Alright, so message. Invalid input syntax. Timestamp with time zone. Function now. Native code. So this was on the insert. Time zone CST local string. So do they want me to pass this as I could just do it in here. It looks like it worked at some point. So if I just change this to like date now. It wasn't the reaction that caused it. It was... Like, I want this to be timestamped. But I also don't want to fight with this stupid thing. It should just work because it should be a string. So there are types in programming, for those who don't know, and it usually is a string. How do you not have oil in your Jeep? It must be burning it. Do you have like a blue smoke coming out of your car? Oh, this is also using different code. I just realized. Wait, it didn't yell at me. Did that work? No. Because I didn't Discord again? Why? It says to use a string. I don't... It says to use a string. So if it's... Oh, this is just developer talk every time. It's always timestamps. Is it that? Is it? There's an overload? Okay, now if I do this and do this, what does this give me? What if I do this? Let's... UTC. Oh. RIP. Okay. I like how it just breaks. It doesn't even like keep running, it just breaks. Okay. Oh, also, if you wanted to interact with the game, with the Rusty's game, there are commands for it. I'm gonna... Last time I went into the Twitch section, it showed my password. Let me open this documentation. So there's a join, leave, plant, water, harvest, biofuel, build, pick. So you can technically join. You can join and then you'll like walk around and do things in here apparently. I can put a counter, but it requires me to go back into the Twitch menu. So, do you find Squarespace hard as somebody who doesn't know much about coding? Okay, have fun. Maybe. Maybe I change. I just realized I have two that need to get updated. Created by also needs to get updated. So the original point of this was also to eventually. So now if I just do date now. Just type in the same thing again and again and again and again and again and again. Just keep trying the same thing. Just gonna keep. Have I just been inserting into the database this whole time? No. That was hopeful thinking. Where am I thinking I'm getting this error from? Is it just if the console throws an error? That makes no sense. So this doesn't work? Why? Does it need to be this? I'm also curious. UTC.UT. Date is not a function. I could put this just at the front and then I could find out, like I could... It's this, I think, the ready. Ah, no, it is this. Alright, so here... somewhere here. So I think it's the parameters or something. I'm not using this local time zone thing properly. There's also a 2 UTC string. So if I was to do date to UTC string, UT string is not a function. Alright, so UTC is supposed to be a function, so it should be date UTC, and this should work. I mean, so to UTC string. Okay, so that's not gonna work. I wonder if I could do a string date here. Do that. Okay, that's getting somewhere. Is this not a thing in Node.js? It should be. Just in case anybody's looking at, trying to figure out what I'm doing. So I'm trying to format time, not currency. Date. All right, so I could set that to a date. And then I wonder if I could do something like this. All right, so in theory, we could do string date dot to local string. I feel like this was working at some point. Maybe the time zone's wrong. So if I change these back to time zones, I wonder if it'll load. So instead of that, we just do that, maybe? Like you normally wouldn't do this. You would normally one thing I'm also noticing is it's like I don't know if this will work. Oh, because it's not CST, it's American Chicago. Where it should be anyways. Alright, this isn't quite working the way that I was thinking. Because it's not changing the time zone unless I'm changing something wrong. We should be getting Chicago's Central. So if I was to change this and say constant date equals date, and then we say date Is this really what I've been struggling with? Is Node not having international? Oh.
No.
On that note, I'll be right back. I'm gonna take a quick break. I don't know. We're gonna take a quick break and go play some Rusties. What is this key for? All right. So I think this one needs the speed upgraded, but I think it needs to be moved. I need to check the radius of this. Also the capacity, I guess, turned up on this. I didn't realize it was going to take up this much like real estate of like where the poop and stuff is gonna go. We got that one. Okay, so we got kidney beans. Parsnips not getting planted? Where is the guy that's supposed to like... Is there a bug where he like vanishes or something? Yeah, Splunk. Alright, so... yeah, I feel like this... I didn't realize, like, their range. I wish they kind of, like, had shown that. But I wonder if we put water over here, would they be over here more? Alright, let's move this. Put that there. Should at least get it. We're gonna put another well down. Just to see if that helps localize the animals. See, Splunk's working because this whole field got planted without me. Huh. Kinda curious. Hold on, sorry. Excuse me. Just checking some stuff here. Alright, there we go. There, it's back in focus. Alright. I'm not sure what's going on there. Alright, it's also 42,000. We're not quite there. We're definitely close. Like, that's... we might be. Yeah, 44. So I'm just gonna claim this over here. We'll go over to the other side and claim that as well. Once we have enough. So let's get back to work. We can kind of... Alright. So the issue we're having here is that date is getting pushed to, like, it's not doing the right thing, I guess. See. It's weird because the... like, technically, this should be in date time format. The is a whole nother thing. Like, I shouldn't need to go into this. Date now. Date to UTC string See, that's technically wrong. Is that... I didn't think that was going to work. Vocal string. It's just constantly giving me so equals date equals date dot UTC or now we do it that way, we can then go here and say date time format dot if I give this a solid date, does it still break? Is it just because I'm using let if I just do var instead? This is what I wanted. Oh. Just chipping away. There we go. I wonder if I can do UTC here. All right, there we go. And then whatever I create for them to view this data back, that will get right, because I did create a report. I don't remember creating this. I mean, I could totally just log this in. All right. Try this, maybe? Nope. Did not like that. Nope. 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 Alright, so we're gonna try this here. We're gonna put this here. Other string. We're gonna put this here at the top. We're gonna change this to American Chicago. Or, yeah, America Chicago. Because they're gonna want to see Central, so... we're gonna probably want to copy that. But we should be able to run now. Then we can do again is in drafts. And we get an error because insert into DB is null. Where is null? Line 5611. It's because error isn't created anywhere. And I'm so confused on why that's even there. There we go. React date, no. Okay, that's fine. I don't know why what this is supposedly doing. It doesn't make sense why it's even there. So... we're inserting into the DB there. We could say... error equal this.
but it's not returning anything, so I'm not sure what that's. We're just kind of like saying if there's. I don't know what that's doing there. Okay, that worked. Now, time to debug reactions. Alright, so message reaction add. Role-based perms. Okay, we'll work on that, but that's not what we want. So, date is not defined. 3225. That is fine. Date is not defined. Is there another error thing? This date local toString is not working, huh? Was this something to do with day.js? Because that just created a whole new message. And that is not what we wanted at all. I mean, it is a different message ID. All right, so it didn't delete. The message delete. So we're going to have to work on message delete, I think. And it didn't post in edited. I see. All right. So we're getting the message reaction embed. We're trying to get the timestamps. So that's the date right there. Why was that commented out? Is that because I was trying to get it into the message? Or into this format? So we can try this. All right, let's delete these two lines.
No, I want to delete those. Cancel. I want to delete both of these rows. So we're gonna run this again. And then we're gonna start from the beginning. Again, is in drafts. Drafts gets put in there. A message gets added. It's fine. It currently says null. I'm not sure what's returning null, but we'll... I don't know if this JSON... Alright, so this JSON's entered. So then we're upserting the message. Why are we upserting? So this should be... This is the reacted by. We're missing this OG message, which isn't even being used. So... if I'm understanding this right... I guess I was passing the whole user object before. This should technically be the OG reacted date, reacted user ID. Because what's happening is the reaction message that's getting reacted to is getting deleted. So this should be OG message ID. But this also didn't work, which is weird. I think we might need one more column. Well, we don't really care about that. One, it didn't delete, so there's that. Timestamp. Add fields from. Did they change that? Oh, wait, hold on. No worries. Is it like that today? Where is... Okay, so user blah 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 blah. Drafts shows us. Shows the author edited a piece is ready to be edited. So this is supposed to go into drafts, but drafts doesn't get created. See, I think it's something to do with this local time zone thing again. Alright, so I need to read the embedder set timestamp. Find time stamp. Timestamp will automatically adjust depending on the user's device. Editors' websites are always crappy from what I understand. So in theory, I bet you this right here is what's causing the issue.
Is it like that today? Hold on. Okay. We're using date embed. Well, I haven't been able to test that just yet. But something tells me that this timestamp is what's causing the issue here. And then it's not coming down to here. But it did get to the upsert, and the issue is the upsert's not... Alright, it's... should have reacted? Alright, that was there. It's not the... oh wait, I took that out. Okay. So... embed... I have to remember all the fields, and for whatever reason the debugging's not working, so... it's fun. And I was only planning on going for like... I was only planning on going for a little bit longer. What's weird is the collection thing's not working. It should... man, so much has changed. Okay, so embed, and then we're saying that we're looking at the first one, the first object in embeds, which is this one. Okay, that's right, because that's the first thing. Why is this only coming back as that? There's a footer, fields, and author. I was trying to look at fields. Fields, they're saying, only has the message. Embed timestamp is here. Okay, so I should be able to take that and format that. Now the only question is for the timestamp. From, they want the message time in there, but they don't want it in GMT, so they just want it formatted. So
I don't think this works. But I do think we need to do that. And then we can say OG message time. We're essentially doing this. Format OG message time. Then we're gonna do a console log the. I guess I should check to see if I can debug properly. Invalid time object. All right, so I need to parse this into a date. Date. That. Let's leave that like that. We do date dot parse. We do this, put that there, put this here, react this. But I need the time as well. Did it have time? It had time. We go back to this. So we don't want. We might want long time style long. Ah, all right, that works. Control U save. Before that happens, we restart there. Yeah. So can I not? So this was supposed to pull from cache. Yeah, there. All right, it did. All right. That goes into UTC. All right. So they want this in CDT. Or America/Chicago. Because this is going to be displayed, so they want that displayed like that. So now we're missing the date. Date
style full, long, medium. Full? Okay, so this should start here. Matt, are you here? I don't think long is what they want either. I think they want like medium.
Yeah, that's probably what they want. Yeah, coding does that. You get especially if you get hyper focused into it, it can really just suck you in. Also, I don't know if you were here when I said it, but you can play Rusty's in the background. You just have to join, and then there's like a list of commands. You can change like your colors and stuff. Apparently gold is only for subs, huh? Didn't even know that was a thing. Alright, so we did all this. This is happening. But okay, I know why we did what we did now. I know exactly why we did the message ideas, because it puts it in the right channel. However, I need to reread. So we get the last drafts for each message. Draft message get fetch. TV for each TV message. Draft message. All right. Get draft message. So, how are we getting or distinguishing between drafts in the last messages? Alright, so last messages aren't even being used. What the heck was I thinking? Oh, get the last message. That gets the latest one. Alright, so it has a new message ID. Gets reacted to, it has another new message ID. And we don't care once it's here. But that's not true. So when they upsert something, it'll always have a different message ID at that point because it's not the original message ID. So the thought process here. Reacted date tells us when it gets edited. Reacted user ID tells us who edited it or agreed to edit it. The message ID tells us what message it reacted to, which technically gives me a chain to the original message. But I'm not updating the JSON. So that would be empty, but then it would be reacted here. Editor message ID. That should be writer message ID. Correct? Alright, I need to look at draft post .id is what gets put into drafts. Message ID is the triggering message, which is from the writers. So that shouldn't be called editor. That should be called, well, I guess that's an editor, but it's not an editor. It's technically a writer. So that's a typo, and I kind of want to fix that now. That should be writer message ID, because this message is the message, yeah, that gets set. And then the JSON is the writer's message. Writer have 1 T, 2 T. Writer really have 2 T's? No. And then this needs to be writer message. We're gonna change this to be writer, right? Yeah. All right. Writer. So we need to change this to be writer message ID. That'll get stored there. So writer message ID tells us who edited it. This gives us the drafts message ID. You know what this upsert is missing? And the reason why it's creating a new one is because it's missing the ID. So what we are hoping, oh yeah, let me just show that off. What I think was trying to happen is that I didn't need the ID, which I technically don't. I can get the message based off of the original message ID. So this one's fine. This is fine. Did I capitalize that stupid column? No. I passed the message ID, and the upsert will get us the original message.
upsert data.
So, the issue being is that we don't know the ID. Could I guess I could technically get the message and then update it. And then that would allow it to have the ID for this. I mean, that's the only way. So, because what we're trying, why would you change the message ID? It's almost like I would need writer message ID. And then edited message ID, so that way you could refer back to, I think that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna call this writer message ID, and then we're gonna have an edited message ID. But see, we're saying message ID is key, so then why are we still counting? We are getting we do have this JSON. That's the original JSON. I think we're missing a bulk of stuff. So we need a column that's called edited. I don't know that we really need it, but... Ooh, work buddies. Yay. I really just want to try to get this done and then publish so they have something working, because right now they have nothing working. Wait.
I have the writer's message ID. The message ID was editor message ID for the one that's going to be in the edit. But I was keeping track of the message ID. I was only putting the writer message ID
Here. Writer's message here. So, message ID is the draft message ID, which will no longer exist. So the fact that it's the upsert is the reaction message ID here. Reaction message ID here. We're not even using this. Because we don't care. We have the reacted date. We have the reacted time. Are we saying we don't care about the drafts ID because it gets deleted anyways? So
That's fine. I'm fine with that. I kind of want to also put their username at the time just in case it changes. Oh, I'm awake. So that's why I'm saying that. All right, let's do a successful test. And this needs to be other string. So we have the message ID. I guess I could just throw it in there to have the editor message ID as well. Edited message ID. Oh, it's almost 12. This will be an int 80. And we'll hit save. And then we'll pass the edited message ID. Edited post message. Alright, there. Then we pass this as the edited post message.id. Come over here. This is edited ID. This is edited message ID. $, squiggly, edited ID, comma. All right. So with that being said, we test. And I hope upsert works because that's the one thing I've always had issues with. It's also not uploading the time, so I don't like that. It did delete the message. Um.
So did it just like the only thing that we need to figure out now is this whole time not being added to this other string here. We're at 33. Message ID should have been the same. And that's what's bugging me, is I don't know why. Oh, it hasn't gone through. See this format date, it's not putting. Oh, because I learned that you need the stupid this. But that's not going to be the right format for. Okay, well, we'll let that go through. All right, that worked. That's awesome. That put the message that has the reaction user ID. So that's not the right format though for the from. Oh. All right. So for the from, we throw in this. I keep using the other string in here. All right. That's that. Now I want to update this way. Put that there, put this here. I want to see what short does. Then short. And then console log other string. That's not gonna work. I need like I don't think that will work necessarily.
Is it the format that's causing the issue? I'm surprised. Alright, so what did I ended up with timestamps. So why is date now just not usable again? Besides wanting it in UTC. Alright, so now I'm curious on the upsert. Will it work for this? Yep. Alright. It did not work. However, wait. Yes, it did. That's perfect. That's exactly what we need. Alright, so we put that here. That fixes that. The only thing that I don't know works is /report. Yeah, I don't remember how to do the report. I have a report built. I just don't remember how I did it. So I have to run the deploy commands. Which I'm trying to remember how I ran this. So do I just run it separately? So node dot deploy? I mean, it's not ready anyways, so yeah, I didn't think deploy would work. Because this also doesn't exist anymore. This is also this. That's also that. What was this even doing? Guild ID puts the commands there. What did the routes do? Or what did the report do? Gather a monthly report, set default permission false, execute. Channel message limit 100, which probably shouldn't be done. Loops through until all entries have been collected. While meets equals false. Interaction meets latest key. I think this has some work to do before the report is ready. So, with that being said, though, I think this is mostly done. That's not needed there anymore. So, one last test is to delete all these rows. Run this. Test is in the drafts. Oh, wait. Oh. I put the there. Yeah, it shouldn't be. That's horrible grammar. I need to figure out what this null is. Boom. Matt, can you confirm that works for you? In the edited channel, like that style? He's like in the middle of a raid in Final Fantasy. I'm just over here like, hey, you see it? You see it? If he doesn't say anything in like 2 seconds, I'm just gonna ping him. Alright, is past the time I said. I literally get up in 5 hours. I need to deploy this so that way I didn't mean to click that file. I don't know what this null is though, and that's what's gonna bother me. All right, so
We post into here and there's nothing. Oh, is it in the super base? Is it just a console errors? If error. Oh, that's here. Yeah. Okay, so that's what this was. Okay, that's fine. Where's this? This isn't on the upsert. What am I? Let's remove that. Something's getting logged. I don't quite. I don't like that. What's getting logged? Where is it getting logged? Right there. And it shouldn't do anything too stupid. It's the console blog. So this has to be on like Message React. Oh yeah, that's fixed. Okay. That's done. All right, I think I'm gonna deploy this either tonight or tomorrow morning, and then I'm also gonna be streaming tomorrow morning, 7 a.m. Eastern. So that's like stupid early for people over on the West Coast. Early for people almost even on the East Coast. I might be doing Fallout just to give myself a break so I don't overdo it on the coding. But I think we're good. Matt, with this new system, it means that it should be able to pick up, like when it restarts, it should be able to like pick up where it left off, essentially. Now the only thing that we need to do is test it. I mean, I'm gonna update the profiles and yeah. So I'm gonna go join your Discord and your chat for a little bit, and then I will while I'm deploying it. But yeah, thank you everyone who came out to the stream today. I know it was impromptu, but it is what it is. Talk to you later.